Hello teacher and partners, my name is Vanessa Tapia. So today I'm going to present the final exam. So it's about a song. In that case, I chose You Are Beautiful by James Blunt. So the instrumentations about the song is a guitar with a battery. Isn't heavy. I think that it is slow, that is soft, and the tempo is slow too. So I consider that that kind of song is beautiful to sing, and I really like it. The lyrics make me feel calm, make me feel fall in love because the song is about a relationship because he talked about a beautiful girl that he saw in a crowded place, and maybe that was the last day that he couldn't see, and it's about that maybe it's in a relationship that couldn't be together. I don't know why, but all time he repeated in the song that she is a beautiful, that she's beautiful, that she's beautiful. So that make me feel that the song is about love, is about a relationship, and make me fall in love. Currently I don't want to be in that position because it's like an impossible love. So I prefer to stay with a person, to be with a person, no. So, but the song is beautiful. It have the lyrics is slow as I told you, and I really like it. Well, I'm going to sing a part of the song, and I show you first a short part about the song, and after that I'm going to sing. Okay. If you hear, the instrumentation is slow, is soft, isn't heavy. So for that reason I talk about it, and well, it's a beautiful song. Now I'm going to sing a part of that song. Well, this is the karaoke. Okay. 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 My love is radiant, my love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled and months away. She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep of that, cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Yeah, she caught my eyes as I walked on by. She could see from my face that I was Hadn't I don't think that I'll see her again, but we shared a moment that will last till the end. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.